I will invite the next speaker, Major General Johnson Maduk Madel Aleu. He is a brother to the late Lieutenant General David Majur Dak, and he is also a comrade to the late. So I welcome him as an elder of our community and also of Nian community to come and give his welcoming remarks. Thank you.
Shukran Khalis. My first message, the Modo Betadel Free David Majur Dak. And a good Goblet Yomen, being David Majur Dak, was a low can high, well a mud. Can you have a kun owl free, but at all community, Menma Kalabudunia. Mind and a well free. They are Farid Batan and David Majur. Number 2, David Majur. Okay, the fellow. One TVN. Ranaban at Yogatan, who comes and hung the Namala Madola. Goes and hung the Kum Namala Madola. Parmachio. Godo Lida Young there. Ulera tono wendi de wenden fada David Majur Dak. A young fella, I can't chip on yene. We would talk. Well, one more, we yini. But Majur Dak, a lot of the father Tadal Watan, yet some of Chakuma Karawan, be in Alam Betadadola, be left handed. Yeah. I can't be me that thing. Na ya zama na ga cikin ya jo ke kai sahil yana yankan abiya tinga ala but a sample better the dollar. Okay, let me go on with my speech. Your Excellency General Salva Kiir Mayardit, President of the Republic of South Sudan, Chairman of SPLM, Commander-in-Chief of South Sudan People Defense Forces (SSPDF), and Supreme Commander of all organized forces, distinguished guests, all Vice President, all visitors, advisors at the national and state level, ministers at the national and state level, but my special thanks to my Minister of Defense, General Cholton Balo, members of National Legislative Assembly at national level and state level, and all under-secretaries, ambassadors accredited to South Sudan and diplomatic corps, our Chief of Defense Forces, CDF, General Dr. Paul Nangmajor, Inspector General of Police, Director General of National Security, and the Command of SSPDF and other organized forces. The Home Federal Doctors and doctors of SSPDF, who managed the body of my brother, General David Majur, since date 9 up to the time of his burial. The funeral organizing committee under Lieutenant General Malwal Majur Champai and Yarwang people extend sincere recognition of the extraordinary honor bestowed upon our beloved son, Lieutenant General Majur Dak. We extend our deepest gratitude to His Excellency, the President Salva Kiir Mayardit, for his vital press statement calling for the nation harmonious. After Lieutenant General David Majur Dak assassinated, he ensuring their dignified return and state burial of fallen hero, Lieutenant General David Majur Dak was a symbol of courage, commitment, and selfless service to South Sudan. His services in Nasser have killed CDR Ladoro Lat Manyongria from the same area. It killed CDR James Lampai from the same area. Face the enemy with unwavering bravery has written his name in the annals of our nation history. We acknowledge with profound appreciation the effort of the President in facilitating the return of his body from Nasir for burial in Juba. A state burial we have His Excellency Dr. Benjamin Bolman and Her Excellency Madame Rebecca Nyaleng Dumobio. Lieutenant General David Dak received the respect and honor benefiting a true national hero. He is the first son of all to raise to the rank of Lieutenant General after his death since the creation of the world. His legacy will forever cherish. Under the leadership of Paramount Chief Dame Majur Malal, our chiefs and elders traveled to Juba to pay their final respect to their beloved son, who chose to stand his ground rather than surrender to the enemy. This act of bravery embodies the spirit of Duk people, loyal, steadfast, and committed to peace and national unity. I thank Brother Honorable Simon Akwe for his support through the time when people of Duk are grieving, especially to His Excellency the President. As we bid farewell to our hero, we humbly appeal to the legislature to consider supporting the education of the children of Lieutenant General Majur Dak and providing a home for his family in Juba. This gesture will serve as a lasting tribute to his service and dedication to our country. The people of Duk County remain unwavering in their support for His Excellency President Salva Kiir Mayardit. We have never rebelled, nor have we been moved by force seeking to destabilize our country. Just as our President has reminded his steadfast in defending South Sudan, to has the Duk community remain resolute in our pursuit of peace, unity, justice. We firmly believe in the rule of law and urge the government to ensure that those responsible for assassination of General David Majur Dak are brought to justice. Holding a criminal accountability will reinforce the faith of the people in legal system and deter further violence in the country. Duk County loyalty commitment. Our support for President Salva Kiir Mayardit is grounded in history. He has fought tirelessly for South Sudan, enduring great challenges from 1967 to 2005. Is 58 years. It is full decades and 8 extra years. That is the time our president finished during the liberation struggle. Now, his leadership has been instrumental in the fight for our nation independence, and we, the people of Duk County, have stood by him through every battle. Our journey has been marked by resilience, and we honor the sacrifice of those soldiers who fought alongside us against successive Sudanese regime. We, the students, and our big people who left their offices in 1983, 1984, we fought. President Salva Kiir Mayardit fought the men of God, because men of God, Abraham fought only 4 kings. But President Salva Kiir Mayardit fought more than 6 leadership in Sudan. It is we who left in 1983 who fought for 4 years like Abraham. Salva was Abiban, the disciples of Jesus. Now we fought with Jafar Muhammad Mary, Abdurrahman Hassan Swaradab, Sadiq al-Mahdi, Umar Hassan Ahmed al-Bashir. These are the people who fought with us. So we are also a great people. Our president fought more than Abraham. Abraham fought with 4 kings, but Salva fought with more than 7 almost. As we remember, Lieutenant General, we extended our heartfelt thanks to all senior officers, institutions, individuals who contributed to ensure a dignified burial. The solidarity witnessed on March 19, 2025 during his funeral was a powerful reminder of our national unity and the respect our leadership hold for fallen heroes. May the soul of Lieutenant General David Majur Dak rest in eternal peace. His sacrifice will never be forgotten. Thank you very much.